Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to Miss Sulis English channel. My name is Sulis Setioharti and I am an English teacher, trainer and a writer, and also a student of a Magister program in Unindra University, Jakarta. And today I'll be sharing insight from my assignment of academic speaking for scientific research lecture. First, I would like to give a special acknowledgement to my lecturer, Prof.Dr. Mashadi, for guiding us. And today's video will dive into a good topic, interesting topic today, about how to give your first speech according to Stephen E.Lucas. If you are passionate about it, you are in the right place. Whether you are to pick up here a new skills and gain some insight or just have a fun learning, I'm here to get you every step of the way. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's dive into today's topic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss out on more exciting content coming your way. If you are preparing to give your first speech, you may be surprised to learn that your first assignment is to give a speech. Whether it is for a class, a meeting, or any public event, delivering a speech can be daunting. You say to yourself, where do I begin? What am I going to do? How do I deliver a good speech? If this is on your minds, please don't have to. So today, I will guide you through the essential steps to give a successful first speech using expert advice from Stephen E.Lucas, the author of The Art of Public Speaking. Here are the key steps on how to give your first speech. First step is preparing your speech. Let's start with preparation. Stephen E.Lucas emphasizes that the first step in preparing any speech is to focus and develop your topic. Usually a brief, simple presentation, the first assignment is often called an icebreaker speech. It is designed to break the ice by getting students up in front of the class as soon as possible. Once you break the ice by giving a speech, you will feel less anxious and will be more confident. Here is how to do it. First, focus on your topic. You want to choose a topic that's not too broad or narrow. For example, instead of talking about sports, you could focus on the benefits of playing soccer for mental health. The more specific your topic, the more engaging and informative your speech will be. No matter what kinds of introductory speech you are assigned, be sure to focus your presentations sharply. Don't try to cover so much. On the other hand, few audience would be very pleased to hear 2 or 3 minutes discussions on advanced trumpet playing technique. Once you have focused on your topic, the next step is developing it. This is where you gather supporting material like facts, statistics, and examples that make your speech interesting and credible. Be creative in developing it. Think of the way to structure the speech so it will be interesting and meaningful to your audience. Use story or example to illustrate your points, making them relatable to your audience. Lucas advises that the good development helps the audience understand and care about your message. Now that you have prepared your content, it is time to organize your speech. According to Lucas, an effective speech has three key parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. Let's break it down. In your introductions, grab the audience attention with a hook, like a quote, a question, or a short story. You should also introduce your main point, idea, so your audience know what to expect. Next, in the body, organize your main points logically. Lucas recommends having 2 or 3 main points to keep things simple and clear. Support each point with example, statistic, or personal stories. Finally, in your conclusion, wrap up your speech by summarizing your main point and leaving the audience with something to remember, like a call to action or a thought-provoking statement. You need to accomplish 2 tasks in the part of the speech. Let the audience know that you are about to finish and reinforce your central idea. Next, delivering your speech. With your speech organized, it's time to deliver it. Lucas highlights the importance of speaking extemporaneously. This means speaking from limited notes rather than reading your speech word for word. Speaking extemporaneously helps you sound more natural and engage with your audience. You can use brief notes to guide you, but avoid memorizing every word. Next, let's talk about rehearsing your speech. Lucas suggests practicing multiple times before the actual presentation. Keep going and complete speech as well as you can rehearse the speech aloud, in front of the mirror, or record yourself, or ask your friends to listen. Focus on your tone, pace, and gestures. Finally, it is time to present your speech. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use gestures to emphasize your point. Take a deep breath before starting and remember, your audience is there to listen and learn from you. So, to give your first speech successfully, remember the steps. Prepare by focusing on developing your topic. Organize your speech with a clear introduction, body, and conclusion, and deliver it confidently by speaking extemporaneously and rehearsing beforehand. With this tip from Stephen E.Lucas, The Art of Public Speaking, you will be well on your way to giving a great first speech. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more public speaking. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you find them both helpful and inspiring to your own journey.